Hello students, let us continue the lesson A Triumph of Surgery. In our previous video, we came to know that because of excessive care and food, Tricky became very fat and listless. Mr. Pumphrey was not ready to be so strict in the matter of Tricky's food. Now, let's continue. I looked down again at the little dog. That was the trouble. Tricky's only fault was greed. He had never been known to refuse food. He would tackle a meal at any hour of the day or night. And I wondered about all the things Mrs. Pumphrey hadn't mentioned. The narrator looks at the dog again. He understands the trouble or problem of Tricky. Tricky's fault is his greed. Greed means excessive desire. He doesn't refuse food. He is ready to tackle a meal at any hour of the day or night. Here, tackle means handle or deal with. It means Tricky is ready to eat food anytime. It is no matter for him whether it is day or night. And narrator wonders because he thinks probably Pumphrey has not mentioned many other food which she is giving to Tricky. Are you giving him plenty of exercise? Well, he has a little walks with me as you can see. But Hodkin, the gardener, has been down with lumbago. So there has been no ring throwing lately. Then Mr. Harriot asks Mrs. Pumphrey, are you giving plenty of exercise to Tricky? Then she replies, every day she is taking him for walking, but he is not getting his ring throwing exercise because Mr. Hodkin, the gardener, he used to give that exercise to Tricky, but now he is suffering from lumbago. Lumbago means muscular pain in the lower part of back. Means a kind of back pain it is. So Mr. Hodkin is suffering from lumbago. So he is not able to give training to Tricky. Here a ring throwing exercise means owner or trainer, he throws a ring far away, then dog has to run towards the ring and it has to bring that ring back, and it repeats again and again. It is a kind of exercise to keep the dog healthy and fit. Here you can see the picture of Mrs. Pumphrey, Tricky and Mr. Harriot. Now let's continue. I tried to sound severe. Now I really mean this. If you don't cut his food right down and give him more exercise, he is going to be really ill. You must harden your heart and keep him on a very strict diet. I tried to severe. Here severe means serious. In a serious voice, the narrator suggests Mistress Pumphrey to cut down Tricky's food and give him more exercise, or else Tricky will soon fall ill. The narrator tells her to harden her heart, means to be firm in her decision, and to keep Tricky on a very strict diet. That means to control food of Tricky. Means here Mr. Harriet, he is telling her to give less food to Tricky and to give him more exercise. Mrs. Pumphrey wrung her hands. Oh, I will, Mr. Harriet. I am sure you are right, but it is so difficult, so very difficult. She set off, head down along the road, as if determined to put the new regime into practice immediately. Hearing the words of Mr. Harriet, Mrs. Pumphrey wrings her hands tightly. Wrings mean twists her hands tightly. She accepts the words of Mr. Harriet, though she thinks it is difficult for her to control the food of Tricky. She set off. Set off means leaves the place as if she is determined to put the new regime into practice immediately. Here regime means prescribed course of exercise and diet. It means her way of walking seems like she is determined to implement the new course of exercise and diet of Tricky immediately. It means she wants to control the food of Tricky and she wants to give him more exercise. I watched their progress with growing concern. Tricky was tottering along in his little tweed coat. He had a whole wardrobe of these coats for the cold weather and the raincoat for the wet days. He struggled, drooping in his harness. I thought it wouldn't be long before I heard from Mrs. Pumphrey. The narrator was watching them while they were going for walking. He had concern towards Tricky. He observed Tricky was tottering along in his little tweed coat. Here, tottering means unsteady or unstable. It means Tricky was walking unsteadily. Tricky was wearing tweed coat. Tweed coat means woolen coat. He had a whole wardrobe of these coats. He had different coats for different seasons, like woolen coats for cold season and raincoat for rainy season. He was struggling on drooping. Drooping means bent downward in his harness. Harness means strap or string. Take in the sense of neck belt. Because of the neck belt, Tricky was struggling to bend downward. I thought it wouldn't be long before I hear from Mrs. Pumphrey. It means the narrator was in the expectation of getting a call from Mrs. Pumphrey about the ill of Tricky. The expected call came within a few days. Mrs. Pumphrey was distraught. Tricky would eat nothing, refused even his favorite dishes, and besides, He had bouts of vomiting. He spent all his time lying on rug, panting, didn't want to go for walks, didn't want to do anything. Within few days, the expected call came to narrator. He went to Mrs. Pumphrey's house. Mrs. Pumphrey was distraught. Distraught means extremely worried. Tricky was not eating anything. He even refused his favorite food like cream, cakes, and chocolates. He had bouts of vomiting. Bouts means painful or unpleasant vomiting. He used to get painful vomiting. He used to spend his time lying on the rug. Always he used to spend his time lying on the bed and panting. Panting means a quick breathing or uh, catching of breath. We can call it gasp also. And he did not want to walk or to do anything. These all things shows Tricky became very serious. Means his health condition is very serious now. Okay, let us stop today here and let us continue tomorrow.